welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Camilla Ifoma, and if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. Can you see this beautiful wig I have on right now? If you want details of this wig, then stay tuned, okay? Because in this video I'll be sharing everything about this wig, and also you're going to watch me install this beautiful glueless wig, you guys. This hair won't even take you up to 15 minutes to install, and it comes with most things you will need to install the hair, which is like a brush, the wig band, the adjustable bands as well. Everything comes in this box. Anyways, I'm going to leave you to watch this video, and do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notification button so you'll be the first person to know when I upload, okay? Let's get into the details of this wig. This is an ISEE Hair wig, and it's the reddish brown Kinky curls from their princess collection. Can you see how beautiful this packaging is? So first thing you're going to be seeing when you open this box is the wig, and then you have the maintenance cards that shows you how to maintain your wig, after which you have the bag where you put your wig to maintain it properly as well. You also have the adjustable straps that help you with your wig just in case it's not your size, followed by some lashes, wig cap, fancy hair clips, bands just in case you want to lay it down, also your brush and your bonnet. And now for the main wig, you guys, the texture of this wig, oh my god, I love a good coily hair. This glueless hair came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut, so you basically do not have to do anything. Can you guys see what the hair looks like straight out of the box? I just put it on my head and it's already given. So I'm not going to do much with this wig, but yeah, I went ahead with my hot comb first, and I just like laid it down a bit, went in with my band. This is what the hair looks like when it's fully combed out. So trimmed some part of the wig. So I was going for a particular look. This is just water in my spray bottle, and I'm also going to be using some mousse on this hair. Coily wigs, you really don't need much. Like I said, it's just water, hair mousse, and a little bit of hot combing here and there. So I did a bit of twisting in front because I wanted the curls to be more defined and thick. I like a really full coily wig, so I went in with that comb to give it a bit of volume. And that's all we have to do, nothing much. I'm going to be leaving some more details of this wig in my description box below. You can also style this wigs different ways you want, you know. This is what the hair looks like when it's dry and wet. This wig is stunning, and can you tell that this is my favorite way to style this hair? Now I'm just going to leave you to admire this stunning wig. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you in my next video. Bye now.